Hello guys. Mm, just combined technical service exam, non-interview post for geology degree standard. Today we have to discuss degree standard geology questions for post assistant geologist post. Here we are discussing only tentative answer question. Now we are not deals with explanation any other ரொம்ப டீட்டெயிலாக படிக்க மாட்டோம். ஓரளவுக்கு சும்மா இருக்கிற டைமு இதில் என்ன செலவு பண்ணலாம்னா இன்றைக்கி இன்றைக்கான வீடியோ. ஓகே, we start with question number 1. Fracture fold are formed due to tension and compression fold. Tension and compression. The second question, the direction of a horizontal line found by intersection of bed with horizontal plane is called strike. The direction of horizontal line found by intersection of bed with the horizontal plane is called strike. The next question, the clinometer is used to the clinometer is used for measuring vertical angle of slope and dip. Next, fourth question, when measuring strike using clinometer, the instrument should be held perpendicular to the ground. Okay. Next question, it is hard to discriminate between primary dip and secondary kind of dip if it is induced by deformations. Sixth question, in a overturned fold, the oldest rock are typically found at the oldest rock are typically found on the lower limb. Next question, seventh question, the direction of the dip always read from north or south point of the dial. Eighth question, an overturned fold in one which both limbs are in the same direction. Option D. The altitude of planar features are all joint strike dip. So all of the above. The slip fold is called as shear fold. Okay. Next 11th question. The extended competent layer which are not separated from each other in individual fragment is called pinch and swell. 12th question, the space between the individual folium and domains is 10 micrometer to 10 centimeter are called microlithon. 13th question, dash texture is characterized by the presence of large visible crystal embedded in fine grain matrix. Yeah, is porphyritic texture. Next, 14th question, the high temperature make rock softer, malleable, hence the rock undergoes ductile deformations. These are related to high temperature. A pair of asymmetric fold with opposite sense of asymmetry such that the axial surface dip toward each other are termed as parasitic fold. 16th question, substance that undergo a large plastic deformation before rupture are called ductile. A common type of conjugate fold where the fold angle are approximately 90 degree forming an almost rectangular structure is box fold. 18th question, a circular, elliptical or irregular erosional depression or gap in overthrust sheet wherein the younger strata beneath the thrust are exposed, such a structure is called fenster. 19th question, a group of fold which differ from one layer to another due to difference in lithology are called as disharmonic fold. 20th question, joint parallel to the axial plane of fold as release joint. Match the mineral composition, hematite, we are know Fe2O3 hematite, and Sphalerite, zinc. Sphalerite is a ore of zinc. Is இந்த கொஸ்டின் ஒன்று பேட்டர்னை படிச்சு வச்சுங்க. ஏன்னா இது ஸ்பேலரைட் மட்டும் ஒரு கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருந்தாங்க. In CSR it may be CSR it, yeah. Okay, next rutile is TiO2. Chalcopyrite is copper. Chalcopyrite is a ore of copper. Okay, so answer அப்படியே நீங்களே சர்ச் பண்ணிக்கங்க. நமக்கு ஆன்சர் தான் தேவை, ஆப்ஷன் தேவையில்ல. ஓகே, next 12th, the following, which type of match the following with the type of cleavage. Here is a rhombohedral, octahedral, cubic, prismatic. Okay, first we have to start with cubic. Cubic is, it is tridirectional at 90 degree. So C is equal to 4. Next one is prismatic. Prismatic is, it is bidirectional. Octahedral is 4 direction, octa 4. Rhombohedral is tri-direction, not at 30 degree. Okay. Next, black streak characteristic mineral is chalcopyrite. Is a ore of copper. Hematite is ore of iron. Siderite is also iron carbonate. Next, which formula is below represent pure dolomite? Is also calcium manganese bicarbonate. Botryoidal, mammillated and stellate are the terms used to denote the crystal aggregates. Okay, rectangle, right. 26th question. The aluminum silicate, andalusite, sillimanite, kyanite and sterolite are classified as nesosilicate. In the andalusite, sillimanite and andalusite, sillimanite are the polymorph of aluminosilicate. Okay, neosilicate is the correct answer. Next one is association and reason question. In isotropic crystal, light move in all direction with equal velocity and has single refractive index. Yeah, is true. And anisotropic, the velocity of the light varies with crystallographic direction and thus more than one refractive index form. Yeah, both are correct, but here are some multiple options are there, both A true, but we have to choose it is correct or not correct. So an isotropic crystal, light moves in all direction with equal velocity and has single refractive index. And in anisotropic velocity of light varies with crystallographic index and thus more refractive is not. So the correct answer is A and B are true, but not correct explanation of A. Okay, next one is okay. In 28th question, in polarized light, mineral form or perfectly developed is called euhedral. Okay, 29. In ordinary ray, vibrate in basal plane. It travel the same distance in same time. Find the correct sequence of polarized light can be obtained from one of three methods. Is reflection, absorption, refraction. So okay, we have to check the question once again. Find the correct sequence of polarized light can obtain from one of three methods: reflection, absorption, refraction. Okay, is the correct reflection, first reflection, absorption and refraction. Okay, சும்மா டயக்ராம் போடுறது இதெல்லாம் பெருசாக கூட. 31st question. Silicate of aluminum and fluorine is topaz. The Iceland spore is a characteristic mineral is called, the Iceland spare is a characteristics of mineral is called transparent crystalline variety of calcite. 33 question. Tourmaline mineral occur commonly in granite, dune, cyanide, veridone. Okay. Sterolite mineral is formed due to sterolite mineral formed during regional metamorphism. Large deposit of zircon are available in the coast of both Tamil Nadu and also Kerala. KL and first TN, next KL. 36. The general formula for the garnet is represented as R++3 or $3 or Si3 where R is soy and magnesium. Okay, option D is the correct answer. What is the composition of sphalerite? We also seen number match the following. We have seen there's a zinc, iron, and sulfate. So zinc ion is a sphalerite is an ore of zinc. So answer A is the correct answer. Black mica is called biotite. We have to see two type of mica muscovite is white mica, biotite is black mica. Which of the following is a triclinic pyroxene? Bronzite, biconite, and Ritenbergite is a rhodonite is a triclinic pyroxene. Which of the following is correctly paired? Orthopyroxene, orthopyroxene is parallel extinction. Clinopyroxene is inclined extinction. Quartz is undulous extinction. So both 1, 2, 3 are correct. Rhodochrosite is Rhodochrosite is the ore mineral of manganese. Okay. What is called peacock ore? Okay, peacock ore is bornite. D, option D is the correct. Which of the following incorrectly paired from geographic distribution of oil and gas field in India? We have to choose incorrect pairs. Arunachal Pradesh Nigiru, yes, correct. Assam is not Bepol, no. Andhra Pradesh, Moran, no. Gujarat is Ankleshwar, right. So option 2 and 3 are not correct. What is the made up of bright glassy looking jet like coal band with conchoidal fracture? Find out the correct answer. Glassy, so vitrinite. Answer D is the correct answer. Carbon content value of bituminous coal is nearly 70 to 85%. We have to divide coal in the from formation period P to lignite to bituminous to subbituminous to anthracite coal. Okay. The first United National Conference on Law of Sea held during 1958. Next one. Which of the following statements are true about metallogenic provinces? There are 3 statements are given. They are known by name of dominant and specific mineral. Gold provinces, copper provinces, iron ore province, manganese ore province. It may comprise mineralization of more than one epoch, but essentially the same type. So both 1, 2, 3 and 3 correct. Which of the following statements are true about chief metallogenic epoch in India? Precambrian, late Paleozoic, late Mesozoic to early Tertiary. Okay, option 2 and 3 are correct. The false Gaussian can be distinguished from true by lack of limonite and sulfide whites. Not presence of limonite, not carbonate, not forms as okay. Placer deposit are formed by is due to gravitational separation. In Gaussian, the abundance of whites indicate abundance of sulfate existence. நீங்கள் நம்ம ஒயின்னு பார்த்தோமா மேலே we have to see this is some part of the answer. So is usually TNPSC exam. Okay, அப்படி தான் இருக்கும். Next 52, cavity filling and replacement are the type of process. Cavity filling, okay, cavity filling is hydrothermal process. The high temperature metamorphic mineral assemblage in the Ganju mineral of contact metamorphic deposit is called as skarn. The formation temperature of different magmatic deposit varies. The formation temperature of different magmatic deposit varies to 1500 to 300 degrees Celsius. Why is the serpentinization limestone give rise to crystallite asbestos? Due to metamorphic action. Next, 56th question. Deposit are this okay, நான் இப்போ பாருங்க 15 minutes-குள்ள 56 question பார்த்துருக்கோம். Okay, 56th question. Dash deposit are syngenetic deposit which are formed at the same time as the enclosing rock. Is the sedimentation deposit. Batman classification of economic mineral emphasize their significance in Na- national security. Which one of the following mineral is classified as an industrial mineral by Batman classification? Is gypsum. Next, which pair is classified by Lindgren 1911? Mechanical concentration, chemical reaction. Is the answer. Melting temperature of albite is nearly 1120 degrees Celsius. One vertical axis of four-fold symmetry, four horizontal axis of two-fold symmetry corresponding to tetragonal system. Choose the correct pair. Cassiterite tetragonal 2+. Okay, is correct answer is cassiterite tetragonal. Usually diamond are isometric. So we do not wrong answer. Okay, right answer. Match the following. Okay, yes. Okay, is the crystal lattice crystal system with the lattice. Okay, is the lattice angle. It's one of the most important question we have to we will get the one mostly nearly 2 or 3 questions from the types of crystals and the length and the angle. First we have to see, we know triclinic system are not equal to 90 degree. All alpha beta are not equal to 90 degree. Monoclinic is one alpha gamma is 90 degree, but beta is not equal to 90. Okay, beta is not equal to 90. Next one is hexagonal is beta only is 90, other than not equal to 90. Tetragonal all angle are 90 degree. Okay, how many system axis in tetragonal tetragonal normal class zircon type is 7. Okay, tetragonal normal class. Okay, we have seen that is a tetragonal normal. Okay, what is meant by holohedral form? During the formation of crystal system, all phases in its domain. Okay, is the holohedral. During the form of crystal system, all the possible phase in its domain. Next, 66. In isometric system, exo-octahedron symbol is HKL. The symmetrical or cyclic twinning appear in the mineral gypsum is known as butterfly twinning. Okay, where it appears that twinning has been produced by rotation of one alpha 90 degree or 180 degree is known as rotational twins. The two crystals of gypsum may be naturally limited as twin, popularly known as swallowtail twin. 70. In twin, the two halves are simple coordinate being united to each other by the composition of contact. The contact goniometer consists of two flat scale bore at clamped together. Option A. Okay, next 72. In a dash system, all crystals are referred to three mutually perpendicular axes with two horizontal axes. A1 and A2 are equal, but vertical axis one is different. We have seen that tetragonal. A, B is equal to 0, but C not equal to equal length. Two axes are equal, two length are equal, one length are not equal. But the alpha beta gamma are 90 degree, equal to 90 degree. Okay, 73. The non-parallel system phase meet in line that called as two non-parallel crystal phase meet in a line that is called edge. 74th question. The interfacial angle between cube and dodecahedron is 45 degree, 0 dash, 0 double dash. The interfacial angle between prism and pyramidal face of apathetic crystal is 130 degree to 80 dash. In orthorhombic system, the A axis is known as brachio axis and the B axis known as macro axis. In triclinic system, the normal class is named by mineral type is axinite type. The H plus K plus I is equal to 0 is a typical relation true for all the form of belongs to the hexagonal system. Next one is the twin most commonly of repeated lamellar type are known as Albite law. Scalenohedron is a hemihedral form and it is a derivative form of dioxahedral pyramid. Plant fossil like Gangamopteris, Glapsoteris, Indica and Vertebrata innata, which are found in Thalchir group belongs to which age? Upper Carboniferous to lower Permian age. Find out the correct evolutionary changes in Ganges Epihippus from Upper Eogenite Junta formation. Option A, digit of the forelimb were still 4. Okay, correct. 83. Which of the following is an example of rhinocerotoid fossil? Is Erotherium. The Indian, 84th question, the Indian elephant, the elephants and African elephant, the Loxodonta and Mastodont are placed under in which of the following order? Is a props. Option A is the correct answer. 85th question, genus Homo is placed under which of the following family? Hominidae. Okay, 86th question, which of the following statement are correct regarding regular echinoid? Test heart shape, no. Bilateral symmetry is no. Tubercles and spines are both primary and secondary. Is the correct? Fossil, no. Okay. Only 3 is the correct. 87th question. The genus Textularia Trochomine and Orbitulina belongs to which supergroup? Lutolida. Okay. Which of the following group is described as head-footed? Which of the following group is described as head-footed? Is cephalopod. Which of the following statements are true about gonatite type of suture? The early loop and saddle are few. They are angular and characteristic. This type of suture are found in late Paleolithic. So both three statements are true. Okay, C is the correct answer. The tail part of trilobite is called pygidium. Option D is the correct answer. Next, saddle and loop are the term applied to equally to the sutures. The class graptolites constitute completely extinct and marine organism. The genus Nummulite is an excellent example for dimorphism. A minute dominant marine planktonic unicellular flagellate algae organism. Spherical cell wall is covered with minute. Calcareous plate and most common in Upper Jurassic limestone is called coccoliths. What is the term used to describe the study of ancient climate based on fossil evidence? Is paleoclimatology. Which of the following is correctly paired? First one is pelagic foraminifera globogerina, right? Freshwater foraminifera is allogromite, okay, right? Dinoflactus, no. Coccolith is not right. 1 and 2 are correct. The term ichnofossil include track, burrows and tubes. Which of the following, which is the biggest animal phylum in terms of number of species? Is arthropods. The study of life of first geological age based on fossil remains and ancient flora and fauna is known as paleontology. The ideal species names the denote different species group is known as homomens. Bedding refer to most of the sediment layer are laid down in layers. Yeah, correct. Bed having lateral continuity and compositional unity. Yes, correct. Bed having millimeter thickness to meter thickness. Yeah, okay. Both A, B, C, D are correct. A, B, C are correct. The zone which receives sediment mainly from cratonic source is referred to as geosyncline. We also studied about what is geosyncline. Geosyncline are formed at the convergent plate boundaries. Chemical composition of kyanite. Yeah, kyanite is aluminum rich mineral. Its formula is usually Al2SiO5. Okay. Select the correct answer for ripple mark. On sand beneath the wave at beach, on underwater sandbar in stream, on the surface of wind swept dunes. Yeah. Above three statements are correct. Match the following. Here are siliceous, calcareous, ferruginous, argillaceous. Here is the limestone, flint, and iron ore are clays. We have to match the follows. Okay, first one is calcareous. Calcareous is only limestone. Limestone is calcium carbonate. Ferruginous is iron ore, right? Argillaceous is very fine grain. Okay, it is clay. So siliceous is flint. In which of the following sedimentary environment would you expect the sand deposit to be poorly sorted? We all know glacial is the poorly sorted. So it's carried and most angular fragments by ice wash. What is mean by deflation in aeolian environment? Is impact on sand grain in motion. Deflation. Impact on sand grain, not chemical, not physical weathering, exploration. It is impact on sand grain in motion. Decomposition is more active in moist and warm area. The most typical argillaceous rock of glacial origin is boulder clay. 110th question. Dash or small cinder fragment between the size of walnut and pea is lapellis. Triple one, fine grain sedimentary rock of argillaceous composition is shale. Which sedimentary texture is characterized by rounded grain resemblance oolitic? Why beach sand tend to have negative skewness? Due to 5 components carried away by wave actions. 114. Dash and dash are two classes of sedimentary rocks. Residual deposit and transported deposit are residual deposit and transported two classes. Siliceous, calcareous, residual. 115 question. The layer arranged for a sedimentary rock is defined as stratification. Which breccia is formed by seawater? Basal breccia. Lamy soil constitute the admixture of sand and silt. Which of the following is a chemical weathering process involved in the formation of sedimentary rock? Is oxidation. Clastic sedimentary rock are primarily composed of rounded fragments and grains. The clay rock, which contain a considerable proportion of carbonate, lime and magnesia, is marl. Option C is the correct answer. 121th question. Choose the correct sequence. Is Talcher, Damuda, Panchet, Mahadeva, Rashmagal and Jabalpur. Which of the following is the lamellibreccia fossil found in Trichinopoly stage? Is Trigonia. The basal part of chain formation has yielded ammonite of Calovian age. The phosphatic nodules and gypseous bed of Huttatur formation are indicative of regrescency. The coral formation is dominated by carbonate sediment. In Indian subcontinent is situated on which major plate? Is Indo-Australian plate. The Cretaceous tertiary boundary has been identified in the continuous marine section of Fission in Meghalaya. Indo-Gangetic plain primarily composed of sediment deposited by which river? Ganga and Brahmaputra. The Singring-Trace limestone belongs to early Carboniferous. The Punjab volcanic bed began in late Permian. The bony fish are regarded as a very crucial period of Devonian. The Thippum group is in the geological age of Miocene. The The aerial extent of Dharwar of Karnataka is 15,540 square kilometer. Lead and copper mineralization has been reported from which of the following, which of the series in Kadapa supergroup is Nallammalai, copper, lead and copper mineralization. The occurrence of diamond is known for conglomerate as the base of the Ravens bundle. Okay, the important mind வச்சிங்க இது சில மேட்ச் தி ஃபாலோவிங்கில் சிஆரில் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Next 136. Red Fort at Delhi and Petpur Sikra constructed out of the building stone available from which of the following system is Vidyan system. Match the following, choose the correct answer. Okay, நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கோம். இது நம்ம இந்த கார்பன் இதோட ரேடியோஆக்டிவ் ஐசோடோப்போட half-life is one of the important question. First, we also know uranium-238 age are similar to Earth age 4.5 billion years ago. Carbon-14 is released on 5,730 years. Thorium has the highest half-life period, is 14 billion years ago. Rubidium is 15 billion years ago. Okay, 15 million years. So the correct answer 15. Correct answer. Okay. The largest chronostratigraphic unit is system. The correlation of rock formation by tracing the formation having some distinct lithology is carried out by means of marker diagram. 140th question. A part of formation which has some remarkable lithology or some characteristics fossil assemblage is demarcated as member. Which of the following statements are true about electrical resistivity survey? Here are the three statements. Here 3 statements are given. We got to find out which one is correct. The resistivity value for igneous and metamorphic rocks yield value in ranging 10 to the power 0 to 10 to the 4 ohms meter. For sedimentary uncontrolled now is not correct. The actual resistivity are determined from apparent resistivity. Yeah, right. If the spacing between electrode is increased, a deeper penetrity of electric field occur and a different resistivity obtain. Yeah, both. Only 2 and 3 are correct. Which of the following artificial recharge method divert and spread the water evenly over the large area relatively in a flat topography? Is flooding method. Not basin, not stream, not Dutch furrow method. Okay, only flooding method. 143. The rate of groundwater movement depend upon hydraulic conductivity effect. Yeah, right. Hydraulic gradient. Yeah, right. Storage capacity and effect. No, is both A and B are correct. Which of the following method is suitable for groundwater exploration? Is resistivity method. Where does water occur in zone of aeration zone? Where does zone? Okay. In a soil or rock, the ratio of volume of water that after saturation can be drained by gravity to its own volume is specific yield. Identify the rock which form fracture aquifer. Limestone, granite, cemented, sandstone, cement. So limestone is usually it will be easily dissolved with water. So granite, cemented sandstone. 1, 2, 3, 1 granite, limestone, granite, cemented sandstone. 1, 2 and 3 only. It's not 4 options are related. Only 1, 2, 3 are correct. Next one is the velocity of groundwater flow is defined as K. Coefficient of permeability, slope H1 slope for water table between 2 point. L is the distance between 2 point. We have to velocity of groundwater flow is defined as V, that is equal to coefficient of permeability is equal to slope or water table between 2 point divided by length. In country where the metric system has been long established, commonly used to scale as 1:500. In case of diamond drill, reaming shell is used for making hole wider so as to reduce friction. 151. Jumper bar or hand drill come under which type of drilling? Is precision drilling. Rotary drill is eminently suited for drilling blast hole in seismic prospecting, groundwater exploration, oil well drilling, so okay, all of the above. Deep fault, deep fault also called as transverse fault. Debris fall, debris fall are described as the fall of debris from cliff. Debris are found commonly along undercut bank of stream. Debris are consolidated materials. So all of the answers are correct. Uniaxial compressive strength of sedimentary rock shell ranges from 550 to 150 km, 150 kg per centimeter square. Geological problems that affect road after their construction are not cutting road, not weathering, not topography of the area, is frost and erosion along slope. What is the height of Bakra Dam? Is 226 meter. Which of the following geological application can be obtained through DEM? The generate lineament, the estimate of no, visual topography, yes, correct. Then to understand land and land is only 1, 2, 1 and 3 are correct. What are the distinct processes involved during supervised classification? Training set, allocation, testing. Okay, both 1, 2 and 3 are correct. The point just vertically below the observer position is celestial sphere is called zodiac. Metamorphic mineral assembly is ambibolt. Yeah, okay, ambibolt usually contain hornblende. No other option, so option 1 is correct. Hornblende plus andesite plus quartz is ambibolite. 162 question. Which of the following statements are correct about zone of metamorphism? The zone of catamorphism and anamorphism are sharply separated. They interpret to large extent. Only 2 is the correct. Okay, only 2 is the correct. Which is the typical texture of rock marble? Crystallography parapet. Okay, is the granuloblastic. Catazone of metamorphism is characterized by granulate and eclogate. Catazone is high temperature, granulate and eclogate. Shale exposed to high temperature evolved in the fine-grained non-foliated rock called hornfels. Quartzite is sandstone is converted into metamorphosed into quartzite. Limestone is metamorphosed into marble. Okay. 166th question. Which of the following texture denoting fragmental nature of whole rock? Mortar, flazer, myelonetic, clastic. Okay, both 1, 2 and 3 are correct. 4 options are correct. Above options are correct. Adenoles are the product of diaptrosis. Diaptrosis. 168. Metamorphic alteration due to effect of heat and gases are called pneumatolysis. Next, 169th question is a process whereby a single homogeneous magma produced a variety of chemically different igneous rock. Is differentiation due to differentiation. When xenolith represent fragment of rock which are genetically related to enclosing rock have been formed at the early stage of crystallization is cognate xenolith. Alkali cyanide with high amount of mafic mineral is known as option B is the correct. Schornknite. Fine grain equivalent rock of allotrimorphic texture which are developed as vein and dike with thin plutonic mass are applied. Which of the following mineral formed due to discontinuous reaction series? Which of the following mineral do form during discontinuous series of ambibolt, calcic plagioclase, olivine, alkali plagioclase. First we have to see which of the following is during discontinuous series. We have to plagioclase and alkalis are continuous series. So ambibolt, olivine 1 and 3 are discontinuous series. Who constructed the tabular classification of igneous rocks? Is Tyre. Tyre option C is the correct answer. 175th question. In the tabular classification of igneous rock, which is the saturated hyperbasal equivalent of basalt is dolerite. The 176th question. The under the under the index of mesocratic rock are 31 to 60. Well, albite is the only alkali feldspar present in the rock. The name has been used in the when albite is the only alkali feldspar present in the rock is known as candite. The transformation of glass to crystalline matter is called devitrification. In some plutonic rock, occasionally occur ball-like segregation consists of orbicular structure. The juxtaposition of kind of texture has been called as opium texture. Opium molting. Okay. 108 question. Choose the right matches among the type. Volcanic mountain, Japan, USA, fault mountain basin and range provinces of USA, folded mountain, Mount Vesuvius, residual mountain, Mount Fuji. We have to choose the right matches. Only 1 and 2 are the correct answer. Find out which one period is not recognized the sea floor spreading is early Mesozoic. Which of the following are true about isostasy? Isostasy are derived from Greek word. Yeah, right. The meaning of isostasy is equipoise or imbalance. Yeah, correct. The theory postulates a system for distribution of material in the earth. No. Only 1 and 2 are correct. The mountain building is known as orogenesis. Due to partial melting of symmetric oceanic crust, the silica-rich magma is found in bay andesitic volcanoes form a small island are called Iceland arc. And it is question. Madagascar is located in the Indian Ocean. 87. The dash is responsible for Earth magnetic field. So outer core is also important. Laurasia and Gondwana were separated by Tethys seas. A triple junction of ocean ridges may overlay a thermal plumes. East African rift is an example of transform fault. Rift is transform fault. The arcuate depression on the ocean bottom associated with Iceland arc system or young mountain belt are classified called as oceanic trench. The lithospheric plate have the 12 major and minor plate total. The funnel shaped top of the volcano is called crater. 94. The occurrence of deep earthquake in the Pacific belt is 99%. It is 95. The dash magma must have been produced either by complete melting of continental crust or partial melting of oceanic crust is andesitic. Choose the incorrect statement. Basaltic magma is hotter and more fluid than andesite and rhyolite. Yeah, is correct. Basaltic lava from magma shows that mafic or ultramafic. Okay, right. The explosive potential is greater in basaltic. No, okay, is not correct. Option only 3 is not correct. The point where waterfall often develop in course of river is said to be King Point. 98. The dash is formed when water is caught between barrier and shores is lagoon. 99. The sunspot are characterized by zoning of filamentary border are called as option B, penumbra. Final and last question in geology UG level in TNPSC for assistant geology exam post. The mantle is the thickest layer composed of solid rock and capable of flow because high temperature and high temperature and pressure. Okay, yes, today within 45 minutes we are dealing with 200 questions. It's only tentative answer. If you have any if you need any further explanation about each question or we got to study in depth level, you got to mention in comment. We will see you later. Okay, bye.